Hi, my name is Kathy Salmarcos, and I'm the Director of Operations with the REeBroker Group. I want to welcome you to the November 2021 Loan Sales Meeting, and we want to thank everyone for joining us today. If you have any questions, please do enter them into the chat, and they'll all be addressed at the end of the presentation. When to first start off, a couple months ago, United Wholesale Mortgage did split the REeBroker Group MLOs between two account executives. Since that time, they've reassigned all the MLOs that were with Chris Fisher to a new AE. So I want to go ahead and introduce our new account executive, Lamin Sambou.
Yes, thank you so much, Kathy. You actually did a wonderful intro right here. My name is Lamin Sambou, and I'm your account executive right now here, taking over from Chris. And I've been with United Wholesale Mortgage for about almost 4 years now. And so I know a lot that is happening here and some of the things that we're taking towards the broker channel to make sure the broker channel definitely grow. So today I'm going to talk about a few things, right? I'm thinking already Chris talked to you about this. We are big in ultimate submission, LOPPs, and also pro ranking. So for ultimate submission, obviously every single file that comes in, right, unless it's a FHA or VA file, should be ultimate submission. What that will do for you is every single file, you should be able to have 4,500 points on it. Now, in turn, what this will do, if you have 10,000 points a month and you close 3 loans, you should be able to, you'll stay being a pro elite, meaning you have the fastest turn time in underwriting and you'll have the fastest turn time in reviewing your conditions. Because things are changing. I think, obviously right now we are fast, but the more loans we have, we'll be falling back on that turn time. When it comes to ultimate submission, the whole reason behind is it's not for you to just get points, right? It's for your clients to have a better experience because you will go to them few times. When you have ultimate submission, your conditions will be very few. It should be like 5 conditions or less, right? What that will do for you is, hey, you will go to your clients a few times again. So you'll have a better relationship with your clients, few times to your clients, few touches, and you should be able to have, this is 100% true from the what we have from our reviews, is that if you do ultimate submission, you'll have at least 2 referrals from a file. So let's continue having ultimate submission if we can on all files. If you have any questions regarding this, let me know. It's very easy to do, right? It's 6 out of the 8. And I know Caesar does it already, but if anyone in the team doesn't know how to do it, please, when you bring a file in, when a file is in, I always want to go through and see if ultimate submission is there. If not, I'll call the LO and then go through and walk them step by step. It's very easy. These are very easy things. One thing I also want to talk, I know, is about Bolt. I'm quite sure you guys had Bolt before. This is within 15 minutes, you should have an approval on a conventional loan. We don't have it in government or jumbos yet, but on conventional loans, all you need is, you don't have to have a property, right? Instead of a pre-approval is a real approval with conditions. Within 15 minutes, mostly, 15 to 20 minutes, you should have approval. You can take that approval and take it to an agent and say, hey, this is, your client is qualified, this is the conditions, and then the client, the agent can get those conditions and give it to you, and this file will get, you can CTC the file within 3 to 4 days, depending on what it is, right? So I know Kathy already used Bolt before, but I would love to work with everyone who didn't use it yet. Sometimes, at the beginning we have hiccups, but we are, it's getting better and better as we go. So we want more people to use it so that we can fix the bugs in there. So continue using it. Any file that comes in conventional should go through Bolt. 15, 20 minutes, you should have your approval, and then you can use that to your advantage. But I'm available. I'm excited to have you all as a partner. My goal is to see what your team wants to do, and if it's about growth, if it's about whatever it is, I want to work with your team on that so that I can help you. Because my goal here is to take ideas from other brokers that I have that are doing a lot of loans or steal an idea from another AE that is doing that they're doing a lot of loans, right? I want to see how I can grow RE e-brokers. That's my goal. And I want to make sure I'm in line with your goal. So this is what I have. I'm sorry if I take a lot of time, but I'm excited. I'm fired up. You can see it on me. Thank you, team.
Very good. Yeah, I actually used the points on my last loan for the submission. So for the last 5 conditions, because we were in a hurry to get everything done.
Okay.
Yeah, that was
Yeah.
exciting
So
to be able to get everything processed quickly.
yeah, you can use it points for many things, right? I'm quite sure you guys already know you can use them for closing gifts. These are huge. Most of the lenders, or brokers here, they use it for ultimates, and they use it for closing gifts. And I also want to talk to you about loan limits. I think when I spoke to Kathy, she told me that the area that you guys are in most cases, your loan limits are your loan amounts are high, right? Because of that, this will work well for you. The new conventional conforming loan limit is actually 625. When you bring it in, it's going to say approved ineligible. It's good. If the only reason is for the loan to be approved ineligible is the loan amount. If it's other things, we'll figure it out and fix it, right? And for high balance is actually higher. So what that will do for you, because I know you guys, obviously you're a real estate agent, so you can use these high loan amounts to qualify your clients for a better property and also get a higher commission, right? That's the ultimate goal. And for high balance, it is 937,500. I don't know if it's on the next slide, but that's what it is for the high balance. So this is great. You guys are in California, loan limits are high, and we should use advantage of this to bring them in. We'll close them and get you all paid very fast and on time. Okay, so pretty much this is what I have. I know I'm excited. Your team is a great team, and it's a huge opportunity that I can capitalize on and grow with you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Lamin. Very good. And next we have Paige Diaz, and Paige is our agent coordinator. So go ahead, Paige.
Thank you, Kathy. Hi, team. I just wanted to thank everyone for attending our sales meeting. I'll be going over a few items regarding anti-money laundering training. So this is an annual course that's required for all mortgage loan originators to help us to see any suspicious activity as it relates to transactions like mortgages. Next slide, please. The course will go over topics such as the Bank Secrecy Act, suspicious file activity reporting, red flags, and more. You can also find information on these topics in our loan processing guidelines in the document library. Next slide. We recommend using this online ed course. The course is only $40 and the link is on this slide. You can copy it down, or it will also be in the email survey that you will receive after this meeting. We will require that you send the broker your certificate of completion in this course by December 15th, 2021. Next slide, please. You can send your certificates to loans@reebrokerca.com so that we can keep a record of your completion. And if you have any questions regarding this, you can send those questions to that same email address as well. Thank you so much.
And as Paige mentioned on that, you can upload it to the link that's going to be provided too. So next, we wanted to talk about the new RPA. It's not just changes, but it's going from 10 pages to 16 pages. So lots of good things about it, but the changes that may affect you as an MLO these are the 3 different qualifications now that are stated on the RPA. So as Lamin mentioned, we can provide our borrowers the pre-approval or even the fully underwritten pre-approval. Is that correct, Lamin, on the fully underwritten?
Yeah. So yes, so what it would bolt, when you bring in the file, you bring your if you have your income and your W-2s and incomes or tax returns, you put them in. when you go through them within, 20, it's actually 15 to 20 minutes, you should be able to have your approval, right? It's going to tell you, hey, this is the conditions that are required. And then when you submit it through Bolt, we always say within an hour, you will receive a actual, because the underwriter has to go in and see, make sure everything is up to, correct. And then it will just come out with the approval. So Bolt applications are always in front of everything. So when you have your approval within half an hour, the actual approval will come with the same conditions, because the underwriter just go through and make sure everything is correct the way we set it up. But yes, the approval that you have is going to be pretty much similar to the one that's coming out of underwriting. So you can use that approval to take it to an agent.
Very good. Okay, so with that, then the only thing that they would need is the purchase agreement and the appraisal. Then this type of approval, it can compete with cash offers. So that's what CAR is promoting with this new selection here. Go ahead and change. Get it? Okay, so in addition, CAR states that the termite report, agreements for repair should be done on a request for repairs or an AEA amendment of existing terms. They have a really great, we have it in our library about the AEA, because a lot of people aren't familiar with that one. So if you want more information, you can see it there. Go ahead, give it. And then also just remember, if there's a home warranty on the purchase agreement, that you want to get that invoice as soon as possible, so it's not a delay to your loan processing. Go ahead, David. Okay, and then here, this is something that's new to us, because we've always asked for the authorization to convey. So it's no longer needed with the 2021 RPA. This section here states that the buyer loan status, by signing the contract, the buyer authorizes the seller and the seller's authorized agent to contact the buyer's lender to determine the status of the buyer's loan specified in paragraph E, or any alternative loan buyer pursues, whether or not a contingency of this agreement. If the contact information for the buyer's lender is different than that provided under the terms of paragraph 6B, buyer shall deliver the updated contact information within 1 day of the seller's request. So with that status, loan status update, you're not providing any personal information. It's just where you're at in the process of the loan. Okay, go ahead. Yep. All right, so go ahead.
Hi, everyone. I'm part of the IT team. My name is Yeva. So I just wanted to let you know that currently you've been talking to Paige about the MCR reporting. Now we're going through the website. So for the fourth quarter, which is due by January 15th, whenever you close your loan transaction on our website, a pop-up should come up asking for information about that. And it will automatically go to Paige for review. And then in a bit, hopefully within the month, we will be releasing another reporting system that you can go in directly for your application and open transactions, so that Paige can see those too, and you don't have to wait at the end to fill everything out. So we will be sending more information out, but we wanted to give you guys an update.
Very good, thank you. And then next, if you have any ideas or you'd like to see something added to your agent tools or the website, please email idea@REeBrokerCA.com. And then do we have any questions?
I don't see any, but if you guys come up with any questions right now, let us.
All right, and then also we do have our realtor meeting on Thursday. If you'd like to join us, it's at the same time. This month it'll be at 9:30.
Thank you, everyone.
All right, so thank you, team. Thank you for actually welcoming me into the team. Tomorrow we have a new product that we're launching tomorrow. So I know usually it's 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. You guys are asleep or so, or maybe just waking up. But I'll call to relay the message to you. It's going to be a great product.
Thank you.
Thank
you,
you.
everyone.
Thank you,
Have
team.
a wonderful day. Bye.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
Thank you. Bye.